Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can change a date format on Google Sheets. So let's get started. Head over to Google Sheets, open a new blank sheet, and let's say you would like to add dates to your project, like for instance 14th of May or 5th of May or 7th of May, like that here if it's the European date format, or if you're using the American format, that would be the 5th of July, month first and then the day. So guys, to change the format of your date, there are actually two different ways how you can do that. The first one would be to highlight the date, to click on format here at the top and to select number from that drop-down menu, and from the following drop-down menu, custom date and time here at the bottom. Click on it. That will give you the opportunity to select a custom date and time format from that list below, like that one here for example. You see the month dash, then the day dash and the year, or that format here, or that August 5th. Now if you're European, you probably write the day first and then the month and then the year, but if you're American, you write the month first. Let me just show you how that works in practice. Let me go with that format here. There you go. And the second option would be, guys, for instance, if you'd like to change your format from European or from UK to US based format for time and date, would be to head over to your settings here on Google Sheets by selecting settings from that drop down menu here when you click on file, and to change your locale or locally from the US, for instance, to the UK or to any other European or any other country in the world. This will set the given country's format for time and date as default in your sheets. Click on Save Settings here to the right to confirm your settings, and that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.